All you have to do is just hold it up and down like this.
Okie dokie.
Hey guys, so this is all the food that we're going to be trying today. I'm doing a foreign food taste test. Dasher, stop it. You're getting in the way. Alright, so we have a lot of things here. Some of them sweet, some of them not so sweet. And then we also have this apple drink, which I'm pretty sure is apple juice, but it might also be apple cider. So we're going to be trying this stuff. We're going to try this one first. And as the last one, I'm going to be rating on a scale from 1 to 10. This smells some kind of chocolate with... Ugh. Ew. No. 2 out of 10.
Just put it over.
I think it might be hazelnut.
Oh, Mommy might need to eat that.
Try some of this juice. Just apple juice with a really weird name. Right, next we're gonna try these biscuit things. I don't see any English labels on them, but I guess we'll find out. Okay. Dasher's coming over to investigate. Hey! You keep your nose out of there. Alright. So we have these. They just look like biscuits. Not too bad. I don't know, maybe if they put something on them, it would be better. 4 out of 10. I know, Dasher, none of this food is for you. I'm gonna see what these are. I don't know what it is because it doesn't really have... It just says it's a vitamin C drop. I don't know if I need to put it in something or... I guess we're just gonna take a look. Oh.
Yeah, it looks like one that you put in water and it makes like a fizzy vitamin C drink.
Oh, it's like the texture of chalk. I'm not eating that. Maybe I'll put it in some water or something later. Alright, I want to try... I've been really curious to try this one. So if you look on the front there, it just has... that one looks like just chocolate. And chocolate on the inside. Okay. Just gonna tear it like that. It looks like chocolate. So, alright. It looks like... Oh my gosh. This one looks pretty good. It's got some kind of chocolate cream inside. Pretty good. 7 out of 10. Oh. Alright. I'm gonna try next. This one. Try this one next.
Hold it up again. We didn't see the front.
Okay. It doesn't seem to have... It says Mawa Imadzib, which I'm assuming means grandmother, mother of Madeline. Just a rough translation. It's just... All it is chocolate. Ooh, with some kind of... That's caramel in the middle. No. It's dark chocolate with some kind of really weird tasting caramel. Ugh. Not good. 3 out of 10. There's no way I'm eating that. Good thing I only spent $20 on all this crap. Okay. This one next. It's another... Oh, it's... I accidentally got dark chocolate. Well, I'm gonna try it anyway. not a big fan of dark chocolate, so. Like I said, not a fan of dark chocolate. 3 out of 10. These ones I've been really curious to try because if you look at the front, it says Kinder Happy Hippo, which I've never heard of before. It's got some like sprinkles or something on the bottom. I'm assuming those are like maybe little pieces of nuts or something. As you can see, it's all in like French or something on the back. So I can't even read it. Alright, let's try one of these guys. That looks pretty good. Okay. It says it's got cacao, which obviously translates to chocolate. So, alright. Let's see what's inside. I was right. It's some kind of nut. That's actually okay. 6 out of 10. Oops. I broke his head off. Alright, next is these, which are more biscuit things. And it's got a cow on the front. And I call these ones cow milk biscuits. Okay. We'll try different these ones. It's like, it looks like a waffle or something. It's got some kind of cream there, but I can't tell. I think it's some kind of biscuits with cream in the middle. Oh no. Oh god. That's horrible. 1 out of 10. Actually, since it tastes like nothing, I'll give it a 0 out of 10. That makes more sense. Ugh. It literally tastes like nothing.
Well,
to
it's
me
good.
It does. Okay, you eat it then. The good thing is, my mom likes a lot of different foods, so if most of this stuff doesn't get eaten by me. I'm really interested to try this one. If you look on the front, you can see it's like some kind of chocolate spread, but if you look here, it's like a chocolate wafer thing, I think. So, I don't know, let's try it. Looks pretty good. Looks just like a regular chocolate wafer with some swirlies on the top. That's good. That's really good. 8 out of 10. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot to rate the juice. I give it a 7.5 out of 10. Because it's just normal apple juice. That's all it is. Okay, this one is the last one. And I thought we had one more thing in the bag because I thought I bought 12 things, but apparently we don't. So, this is the last one we're going to try. I'm probably going to have to make up one of those vitamin C drops. This one just says it's milk chocolate with no added sugar, so I'm assuming it's just going to be straight chocolate. Excuse me. Just chocolate. 9 out of 10. Alright. So that was a pretty interesting foreign food test. Went a little better than I expected it to. Alright, so I might do another foreign food test before we move. I don't know. If I can, get down there and stuff. Because there's other stuff there that looks interesting that I might want to try. But so I'm probably gonna do a couple more of these though, because they're fun, and also they make me try, new foods and stuff. And I only spent I didn't even spend $20 on all this stuff. So and then I expect more of these to be pumping out. Alright, so that's about it, and bye.